The Certified DevSecOps Professional course helped this security analyst earn $118,000. Alex was a security analyst who earned $54,000. He was a keen learner, constantly seeking to enhance his skills to improve his job prospects. Alex wanted the next big move in his career and figured out that DevSecOps professionals are high in demand. He researched for the right course and came across Practical DevSecOps through Google search. Alex also came across various reviews and testimonials on Trustpilot, Medium, and other review sites in support of Practical DevSecOps courses. Based on the reviews and testimonials, Alex felt this is the right course for him to choose, since the course provides 80% hands-on training for job-ready skills, 24/7 instructor support, and a practical examination to validate his skills at the end. He was able to complete the certification training in just 2 months. Alex seamlessly cracked job interview. The hands-on training gave Alex the practical expertise he needed for interviews. During his job interview, he demonstrated his ability to create a DevSecOps pipeline, which earned him a highly sought-after DevSecOps role at a top financial institution. Today, Alex currently earns an impressive $118,000, a significant increase from his initial earnings. Ready to be the next success story? Get started with Practical DevSecOps and achieve your dream job with ease. Sign up today.